Hey y'all, how's it going? Welcome back to another episode of the dog whining because I won't pick up her ball and throw it. No! It's griddle porn, even though there's not a griddle in the picture at the moment. It's a product review time. This thing is our, okay, I'll throw the ball. Mr. Barbecue Caddy. No, Barbecue Caddy. It's adjustable. I can, with a few, ouch. Ouches and pinching my fingers usually. I can lower, but then my handle, and there wasn't room for the old paper towels. Of course, I don't have to. I can actually lower it. How low can I go? How low can you go? Low can you go? Yeah, that's as low as I can go. Okay. It's got the paper towel thing, which is easy peasy. It's very windy here most of the time, and I had a problem with the paper towels just blah, 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 blah. And the first time I used it, in fact, I went inside to eat, came back out, and the entire roll of paper towels had unrolled and blown across the yard. So we had a ticker tape parade. That wasn't cool. But this is Sparkle towels, I think. No, Viva. Old timers from South Florida would remember Taco Viva, which was the best ever. When you say taco, say Viva. Yeah, they were bought out by Taco Bell. Sorry, I'm still in mourning. Anyway, Viva towels I don't like, actually, because they're hard to unroll, which makes them perfect for hanging and not blowing off from your outdoor barbecue caddy. So they have their purpose. It's the only brand I found that's perfect for this. You see I've got my bottles. I have my vegetable oil. I've got my homemade ghee. I'm proud of my homemade ghee. Water and avocado oil. Isn't that pretty? I got some spices and seasonings, which now that I've made my homemade seasoning, I don't really need these. I hardly ever use them anymore, so I'll probably switch out something and figure out something. And a bottle of liquid smoke, since you can't smoke on, well, you can smoke on the griddle, but it's a little tricky. But once in a while you want to throw on some smoke flavor. My knife fits perfectly in between the bottles, but if I rearrange things, that might not happen. So it's got the convenient carry handle, which it's even got little finger grips here, so it's perfect to tote. I don't want to leave this stuff outside because my oils would go bad in the sunlight and bugs get on stuff and all that. So I carry it in and out when I cook. The hooks, check this out. Can you see me? The hooks, look at that. The hooks slide in and out. So I didn't use them for like the first 10 months. And now This is where I keep my spatulas because it's so convenient. And there's room for actually like two or your tongs and all that. So yeah, I didn't want to spend the money, but my lovely assistant insisted that I spend the money because she knew I'd use it, and she was right, because trying to drag all these bottles in and out every time I want to cook, which is like, 3 times a day now, because I have to feed your insatiable griddling porn appetite. You're insatiable. Let me out, let me out. Oh, sorry, where was I? Yeah, it's so easy to carry stuff in and out. I'm actually glad she talked me into it. Oh, let me hang my spatulas. And there we go. So, yes, my Barbecue Caddy, despite my first misgivings, is pretty awesome, and I'm glad I got it. I'm glad she talked me into it. Yes, baby, you were right, and I was wrong. Record this day and date. No. Anyway, that's all I've got to say about that. Thanks for watching, and y'all have a great day. That's a wrap.